But before I actually invest, I want to show you the different order types available through Robinhood. Each one of these order types works differently, and this impacts the buying and selling of stocks. By default, as you can see at the top, it's a market order, but if you want to change this, you'll click in the top right where it shows dollars, and you can see the different types of conditional orders listed below. When you buy or sell a stock on Robinhood by default during market hours, it's going to be a market order. And this simply means that you're going to get the first available price for buying or selling the stock, and you'll have near immediate order execution. It's usually just a few cents difference between the bid price, or what people are looking to buy the stock for, and the ask price, which is what people are looking to sell the stock for. So when you place a market order, it's going to fall in between those two. Market orders are best for those that are looking for immediate order execution, but if you wanted to specify the price exactly that you're buying or selling a stock or ETF for, that is when you would use a limit order.